In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change theme in Pandadoc. To begin, open Pandadoc and navigate to the file you want to update. This can be either a document you are actively editing or a template you plan to reuse. Once you open it, make sure you are in the Pandadoc editor, because that is where the theme and formatting options are available. Next, move your attention to the top navigation bar. Look for the option labeled Format. In the current interface, Format is located in the top bar rather than in a sidebar tab, so if you are used to the older layout, it may feel slightly different. Click Format to open the formatting menu. From the drop-down menu, select Theme. This takes you into the theme settings, where you can control the overall visual style of your document. Themes are helpful because they keep your formatting consistent across pages, sections, and content blocks, so your document looks clean and professional without needing to style every element manually. Now you can choose how you want to change the theme. If you want a ready-made design, look for the option that says Choose Another Theme. Click it to browse the Pandadoc theme gallery. As you review the available designs, focus on the one that best matches the type of document you are creating, such as a proposal, contract, or presentation-style document. When you find the theme you want, click Apply to set it on your document. If you prefer a more personalized look, you can use the theme sidebar to make custom adjustments instead of selecting a pre-designed theme. In typography, you can modify heading and body text styling so fonts and sizes look consistent throughout. You can also adjust table design to make tables easier to read and better aligned with your brand styling. Finally, you can update the page background to change the overall feel of the page, which is especially useful for documents that need a more polished, branded appearance. After you make your selection or changes, take a moment to scan a few pages of your document to confirm everything looks consistent. That covers everything you need to know.